back, everybody. This is LW&C with VSDC, Learning, Working, and Creating with VSDC. Today I'm going to talk about a problem that I mentioned in the other video about important content from the import content button, and it pertains to the cropping again. All right, this video right here, when I open it up, it's going to be rotated in VSDC. That can pose a problem when you're when you bring a video in, then try to crop it later. So you see right here, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, the video is rotated the wrong way. Now, if I rotate this video now, if I try to crop it now, VSDC is not going to read it correctly, and it's going to crop it the wrong way. So let me show you what I'm saying. If I crop this there, bring that there, bring that down, bring it down to right there, bring that other one right there. Lord. Put that right there. VSDC is going to detect it like I had the video in it in the first place. Rotate it. So when it crops it, my camper is going to be off to the side or something like that. So let me show you. See what I mean? Alright, so now what we want to do here is we want to bring our video in here correctly in the first place. So what I've found that I can do to fix this problem is just run it through another program. So let me close this. Don't want to save it. Okay, let me close. I close that, and I'm going to take that video and I'm going to run it through Handbrake. Now I'm going to take that video, that same video, camper, and I'm going to run it through Handbrake, which is right there. So all I got to do is take it over here and I'm going to drop it. And this is very quick and simple. It's not a problem at all, I mean to tell you. Okay, let me tell you what I do. It always opens up like this here. I just come over here to video and I click constant frame rate because I don't want my video to go out of sync, but it's not going to be a problem with this video because it's a very short video and there's nothing really important there. So like I said, I come over here to that, click constant frame rate, browse to where I want it to be at. So we're going to come over here and we're going to put it in new video. Right there it says camper, and we're going to make it camper 11. Matter of fact, we're not even going to do that. We're going to call it camper 2. How about that? That'll make it easy. And so now when I click starting code, you're going to see a green bar coming across here because it's a short video. And it's going to be done in a minute, so I'm just going to go ahead and wait for it. And then it's going to say queue finished. Alright, I can go ahead and close that now, and there it is, camper 2. So my video is fixed. So now I can open VSDC back up again, click import content, camper 2, click open, and my video is fixed. Now if I go ahead and try to crop this, VSDC is not going to have a problem cropping it. So let me show you right quick. Okay, bring that over to the camper, bring that over to the camper, bring that over to the camper, bring that border up, and now when I crop it, it's going to stay right in the center of the screen. See what I'm saying? Now if I want to make that video fit like it's supposed to, all I got to do is come to properties, come down here to stretch video, and click yes, and there we go. So that's what you want to do to avoid problems when you're when you bring a video in that's rotated. Put it in Handbrake and save it, and it puts your video in the right orientation and all that in VSDC. When you go to do operations in VSDC, you won't have a problem trying to find out where you're cropping, because I did that with a video before and I was trying to crop something out, and when I opened it, when I clicked OK, it had cropped the entirely different portion of the video. So That's how you feel. Thank you for coming back to LW&C with VSDC, and we'll see you next time around with some more information.